I am P. Venkat Kumar Yadav. I am from Raichoti, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in KSRM College of Engineering with EC branch with 22 pass out. After that, I learned to do internship with 1 year with embedded. After that, I did not get any job. After that, I searched in Google reviews with one of the best embedded systems, and I joined in Indian Institute of Embedded Systems with best reviews. And after that, I take the Pvt course in embedded systems. Here I learned programming language and experience on embedded systems like 8051 and LPC 1768. And the IIES staff are very friendly and supporting. And I'm thanking, and I got placed in Saitronix Electro Pvt Ltd. And I'm thankful to IIES staff members and entire team. Thank you.